Hello, everybody. My name is Dominique Vargas, Dom the Bomb. That way you'll never forget me. I'm a college student here at Indiana University, and I'm also working full time at a restaurant here in town as a store manager. Now, I'm interested in investing in real estate because for me, that means not only will my current life be hugely impacted in the future, but my family, my future family will be impacted as well. I really, while I like working, I really recognize that eventually there's going to come a time when I'm going to want to be able to spend time with my future kids. I'm going to want to be able to spend time with my family, and I'm going to want to be able to take that separation if need be to say, hey, you know what? I'm not going to work today because I have other more important things to do, more important life things to do. But I can't do that if I simply just work and clock in and out every single day. So that's where the real estate investing comes into the picture for Dom. What were some of my obstacles, beforehand, before the program? Really, for me personally, it's understanding the financial side of real estate investing. There's still a lot more to go for me, but this program helped me to do that, and I'll get into more of that later. So, why did I choose Casey's program over others? Well, for me, I have been following Casey for probably 4 to 6 months before I even joined the program. And so I was able to build a lot of trust with her through messages. I would ask her questions. She would respond with great detail through the content she put out. She's got a great content strategy for everyone, for investors like us and future investors. And she was just very responsive. So she did a great job of building her brand and building that trust with me. So that by the time she came out and offered the program, I knew without a doubt, I've got to get on board with that as soon as I can. So that's kind of why I chose Casey over most of the other guides out there. And then also, I want to mention that Casey specifically sought and focuses on helping newbie investors like us. That's probably the main reason. I saw that if I get in this program now, this investment will help me to make even more money in the future. So it's kind of like a short-term hit on your finances if that's something you're worried about. Well, you go through the program, you're going to probably make easily 10, 20, 30, if not more % return on investment once you go through the program. And once you start implementing the strategies that you're going to learn, and once you start using the knowledge that you'll get from the program to really make things happen for you once you start to take that massive action. So what were some results that I was able to accomplish through the program? Again, the financial side of things was kind of hard for me to understand. I'm a people person, so anything that's number crunching, I was bored. I was bored with. I didn't want to do it. But with Casey, I was really able to understand and take a deeper dive into creative financing. I was able to take a deeper dive into looking for private money lenders and what I can offer them versus what I would offer to hard money lenders and looking for hard money lenders. I was especially able to take a deeper dive into what you should look for when you are picking your market. It's much deeper than, okay, I've got a home and here's the rent to buy ratio, right? I said that wrong, but my point is it's much deeper than just looking at a home and going, okay, we can buy a home. You got to look at so many things that most of us don't really think about. And if we do, we're just consumed with so much. There's so many things to look at that we don't really know where to start, and you get stuck in analysis paralysis. So Casey's program takes out all that fluff for you, and she's going to give it to you straight. Here's what you need to know. Here's why. Now go out there and get it done and start to take some massive action. The main reason that I recommend Brick by Brick Wealth to aspiring real estate investors on their journey to their first rental property is because I think that Casey has that great mix of she's going to be there along the way to support you like a coach should, but she's also going to give you a lot of information for you to use. In the past, I've done programs where they just give you all the information and they're not there to support you at all. It makes sense. They've got a business to run. But with Casey's program, she's going to be there almost as if you guys are the bestest of friends, right? So, for example, for me personally, the biggest thing I probably got from doing this is the push that I needed. When I first started the program, I told Casey, hey, Casey, I'm not looking to buy anything soon. I want to pay off my car first. It's going to take me 2 to 3 years, and then I'm going to graduate and get a nice job, and then I'll go out and start to buy properties. But Casey showed me the benefit of not waiting. In fact, because of Casey's program, I'm able to see and I learned firsthand I'm going to be missing out on anywhere from $30,000 to $50,000 worth of investment opportunity if I wait. And so what Casey was able to do for me was push me further. And so I was able to create a pitch deck, a presentation with the finances and why I'm investing in certain areas, and a little bit about my personal investing goals and who I am as a person, so that I can take that and meet with family or meet with hard money lenders or even the banks in the future, so I can show them my worth and why they should partner with me to help me achieve my goals sooner and to help them with making their money work for them. I wouldn't have done that had I not joined the coaching program, because I would have just sat in comfort zone and waited the 2 to 3 years and missed out on $30,000 to $50,000 worth of investment opportunity. So that's probably the biggest thing that Casey was able to do for me in this program. I think the program is designed for people who have no idea about real estate, but you know you want to get into real estate. It helps if you have some knowledge about it. You're going to learn a lot. But this, ideally, after going through the program, I think that it's best fit for those who don't know anything or who know just a little bit. You're probably at a level 2 out of 10 in terms of knowledge, so that when you do learn it, you're going to be ready to go out there and take action. If you're more seasoned, leave the coaching program open for those who are not as seasoned, because this is exactly what the program is for. So for people like me who are getting started in their lives, or who are rediscovering what their life purposes are, so that we can get in, we can learn the knowledge, and we have the support system with Casey, and we can go out there and take that massive action that we need to get it done. So that's the type of people I think should join this program. Newbie investors who aren't quite sure where to go next, but know they could use a little extra push, and those who are ready and know the benefit of making a short-term investment for a long-term future of growth and prosperity within the real estate investing world. If you have any more questions, comments, or concerns, I'd be happy to reach out to you myself, or you can reach out to me at dkv10mis@gmail.com. I'd love to speak with you about my experiences and why you should join the Success with Rental Properties coaching program hosted by Casey Franchini of Brick by Brick Wealth. Thanks.